Hey guys, oh my god, I'm back. Cannot wait to show you something exciting. Alright, so I made this Chanel inspired bottle. So stay tuned. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so here as you can see you have 4 bottle caps. As you can see, the ones that I'm using are from Nestle water bottles. I am going to glue them together to give me the exact width and height that I want to do for the cap for this project. Clean the excess on the bottles. Glue them all together. Yeah, make sure they're nicely centered. And as you can see here, I have this Smashbox box from a lipstick that I bought a while ago. So make sure that your caps are right in the center of the box. Let it dry and let's move on to the big box, which is going to be the body for the perfume bottle that I'm going to make. Make sure you glue all the edges, make it nice and tight before you do anything to it. Make sure the Mod Podge is applied all over the box, so that way you can apply the flying glitter that I'm using in this video. Make sure you spread it all over nicely, then apply Mod Podge again to make it nice and smooth. Save your glitter, guys. Alright, we are moving to the big box. Again, I'm using a plate, Mod Podge, a spongy brush, and I am using chunky glitter. So I'm applying Mod Podge all over the box like we did with the smaller part. And after I apply all over the box, I'm going to proceed again and apply all the chunky glitter. Make sure you spread it nicely on the box. And on all the sides of the box. Now, since we are using such chunky glitter compared to the fine glitter that we used on the lid before, you may find that there will be a little bit of a chunk in some areas. So you want to grab your Mod Podge and your spongy brush and you want to smooth it out, move any excess glitter that might be just clumping somewhere. Also, this way it'll just make the box on the outer a little bit more smooth and a little bit more shiny, since this Mod Podge actually dries into a gloss. And yes, now just let it dry. Alright, for my next step, I will be using this beautiful, almost see-through black ribbon. I'm going to cut it to my liking, and then I'm going to make a bow. Cute little bow that I'm going to be putting on the lid of the perfume bottle. Now I find it a little boring, so I grabbed rhinestones, and I want to use a little bit of a bigger one since this bottle is a little bit more of a nicer size. I mean, a little bit bigger for what I want to be doing. It's so pretty. Make sure you are careful because the glue is a little hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Now I have these Chanel cutout that I found on Google, and I'm going to cut them nicely, remove any edges that I don't like. Once you're happy with the result of the cutout, then you can just set it aside. Also, I have this tiny rhinestones that I found on eBay that I bought a while ago on eBay. They're cute, and they also have their own glue, so you don't have to really glue anything to them as they have their own glue. Make sure you put your bottle cap on, center it properly. Now let's place the cutout right in the middle, or wherever you are happy with it. I wanted mine a little bit more towards the top in the center. And just make sure that when you're applying the glue, you're pushing it down so that you don't have any clumps on the paper. Now let's apply the ribbon. Make sure it's nicely centered. And once you are done with the ribbon, let's apply the rhinestones. Make sure you get rid of any excess rhinestones that you may have, just so that way it fits properly with the size of the cutout. Easy breezy, beautiful, Chanel inspired bottle. Hey, so I just came back from the gym. As you can see, I haven't even taken my gloves off, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy my video as much as I did creating this for you guys. Give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe. And if you have any questions or any suggestions for any upcoming videos, leave me a comment on the comment section.